In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access IC Markets Trading Central. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, what you'll see inside, and how to use the insights responsibly as part of your own trading process. First, a quick overview. Trading Central is a research suite built into IC Markets. It brings together trade ideas, technical analysis, market news and sentiment, plus an economic calendar. The engine behind it blends experienced analyst input with algorithmic models, so you get timely, structured information to support decision-making. Think of it as a research companion that helps you scan markets efficiently and frame your own plans. Here's how to access it from your IC Markets client area. Start by going to the IC Markets website and log into your client area. Once you're in, look for Trading Central or find it under the Analysis or Tools section. Click through and the dashboard will open in your browser. That's it. From here, you're in the main hub, where the most popular modules are easy to spot: featured ideas, market buzz, and technical views. If you don't see the label you expect, names can vary slightly by layout, so just check the research or tools sections. Inside technical views, you'll see a clear buy or sell bias, along with key levels such as support and resistance. These views are built by combining analyst experience with systematic models. Use them to frame your chart work, mark the levels, check the trend context, and confirm whether it aligns with your own strategy and risk tolerance. Featured Ideas presents ready-made trade setups with bullish or bearish signals. They're derived from back-tested strategies, which can help you spot patterns faster. Treat these as starting points, not instructions. Open the chart, validate the logic, and manage position sizing according to your plan. Market Buzz focuses on news sentiment and highlights trending assets. It uses AI to sift through large volumes of information so you can gauge whether sentiment is leaning bullish or bearish. When something catches your eye, dive deeper into the underlying news and consider how it fits with broader market conditions. The economic calendar shows upcoming events that can move markets. It's especially useful for forex trading when you want to avoid unexpected volatility or plan around high-impact releases. Note the time, currency, and expected impact before placing or managing trades. A quick but important reminder: Trading Central is a tool for analysis, not guaranteed signals or advice. IC Markets provides it for informational purposes. Use it to enhance your research, combine it with your own rules, and always manage risk.